Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And you guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. This is coming from... Let me see who it's coming from. And here we go. Going through the list. And this is coming from NYTTLIV. So that's an interesting name. And this is going to be LED strip lights. 65 feet. Smart app. They got an app. I got to show you how to use it. Really easy to use. You can cut these too. There's a little scissor marks. Where are they? Right there. You cut it off. I would definitely wait until you power these off, like when you get them out of the box. Cut them before you test them out, just in case you don't want to get electrocuted. I don't think you will, but safety is important. So you get these spools. Yeah, pretty long mounts. I'm going to install it in this video, so if you guys want to sit back, grab some popcorn, and fast forward to the end. You'll see these in action where I mounted it. So you get the basic one that comes with it, the sensor, right there. Pretty long cord. Here we go. And there's a, for the music sync, you can put in for sound through the movies, games. You get the manual, which is easy to use. Setup. Get some goodies in here, some 3M sticky, extra prongs. And there we go. Got these, got that. You get a remote control. Pretty standard remote. You get 4 options down here for music. Quick, slow, auto flash. Fade. Fade 3, jump 3, up to 100%. Timer right here. And different colors. You can adjust the brightness right there. So that's easy. And now this app you can use your Android or iOS. I already got it hooked up to the iPhone because I have other ones that are similar but different company, but they all work with the same Lotus Lantern app. So this is what the app's called. It's in the manual too. There's going to be a QR code. Scan it and it'll pop up on your phone. Okay. And as you can see here, I got the TV one for my bedroom and one for my basement. 1, 2, 3. And my front room too, my foyer that I got them hooked up. So turn it on. There we go. See how easy that was? If I could do it, guys, you could do it. Really cool. You could just hit this button. You get other colors. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. Go like that. Like that. And then down here, you could do the style. You could choose like static, white strobe, all the different styles. Music. They got like Christmas music and stuff like that for the holiday theme. And your voice, which we use for like movies, games. So kind of cool, especially for video gaming. It definitely works really well. Really sensitive too. If you get closer, you can see it moving up, moving up, moving up. So there you go, down there. Then you can have a schedule, Sunday through Monday, and then go back to GS. And then classic preset right there. You could just hit that button, hit that button, hit that button. Alright guys, now I'm going to go trying to find a spot And you can always connect these together also too, so you just keep adding them on if you want. I did my whole basement. I forgot how many of these things I used, but it looks really good. Helps you relax a little bit more. Different vibe to your house, you know, make it more modern. So definitely stay tuned. Right about now, we're gonna set this thing up. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it set up. Looking good. Like I said, you could use the remote control or the Lotus Lantern app. Lotus right here. Here we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's really bright too. Here we go. Then you can have it this way. Adjust it this way. Then you can have it black. That's pretty cool. So there you have it. Check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.